twisting like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisting like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisting like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisting like it's stir fry.
I'll take a whip it, intermission, let the birds fly. I get money, turn no vision through my third eye. Money, run that skillet, watch me flip it like it's Five Guys.
Hello and welcome.
Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I colored this beautiful unit hot pink. I mean, come on. It's gorgeous. So I'll be showing you guys the products I use and the actual process that I go about coloring wigs. And I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it's very informative and you learn something new. Keep watching. So I'll be bringing this tired, old, neglected wig back to life. This is a hand-sewn unit that I made myself with a closure and 3 bundles. I love the Adore brand, so that's what I'll be using today in pink blush as well as pink rose. I'll be using a color bottle to distribute the color to make the process a little bit easier and quicker. Once I get to the closure, that's when I'll start using the color bowling brush. Just to make sure that the color doesn't bleed onto the lace, I'm applying a very heavy conditioner on the opposite side, so that way if it does leak on the lace, it won't leave a stain. Your closure should look similar to this once you're finished. It should all be covered with conditioner. Now I'm securing the wig, tacking it down. As you can see, I went a little too heavy with the conditioner on the lace, so I'm going back and touching up and getting the extra conditioner off so that way the color can penetrate the actual hair. Now I'm spraying water on the hair, making it a little damp. This makes it easier to distribute the hair color throughout the hair rather than the hair being completely dry. I bought 6 bottles of the hair color and I had 3 of each, so in this first bottle it's 1 of each color mixed in together. I made 3 sections in the wig, the very top, middle, including the closure, and then I split the rest of the hair down the middle. Working the color into the hair, making sure that I'm not missing any spots. Nothing's worse than a spotty hair color job. Into a few tangles here. Like I said, this wig has been neglected. Poor thing. Moving to the next section. Just making sure all of the hair is covered with color. No blonde spots at all. on the other side, just distributing the color and making sure all of the hair is covered. Check out this goofball. So now we're going to get started on the top. Now with the closure, I'm getting as close to the lace as possible with the hair color. I'm taking very small sections so that all of the hair that's close to the lace is colored and there are no spots missed. I'm focusing on the roots of the hair right now. Once I'm finished with that, then I'll go back and color the ends of the hair. For the very front, I'm making sure to get all of the hairs in the front. Now I'm going back and coloring the ends of the hair, making sure all the color is evenly distributed, and once again that I'm not missing any spots. After double checking, making sure all of the hair is colored, I let it process for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I rinsed all the hair color out, shampooed twice, and deep conditioned for 10 minutes. And then I'm letting it sit under the dryer until it's fully dry. I'm wanting my hair bone straight, so I take it section by section, aka track by track, with my favorite flat irons by Paul Mitchell. They're the bomb. Now I'm touching up my part with the hot comb, just making sure it's flat and smooth. And this is the beautiful outcome. We have a vibrant hot pink, all over color, no spots. I look so cute. Yes, girl. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Please leave comments. I love feedback as far as what you think about the video and what other types of videos you would like to see. I will talk to you guys later. I can't even do that right now. My nails are horrible. I should be ashamed. I'm just gonna say bye. Bye. See you later.